Oh, you know it's coming. You can feel it. When narcissists decide to return and they want to whisper sweet nothings in your ear like, I regret what I did to you, what's going to be a jaw drop to them is when they hear, I'm not. I look at it as a favor. You see, narcissists expect you to be so surprised because during the holiday seasons, well, everybody's in their better, bestest moods. In fact, they're banking on you being politically correct. This is when you'll get to, well, I'm not encouraging it now, but if you're able to, well, vent a little, ain't nobody judging, and nobody